This is an activation of the emergency alert system on our south central Kansas WX.
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pinal County in southeastern Arizona until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 5:40 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Florence and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Florence and Valley Farms. This includes Arizona Route 79 between mile markers 129 and 146. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Pinal, Arizona.
This was the activation of the emergency alert system on our south central Kansas WX.